Yo, what's up, everybody? You guessed it. We're back out of the garage here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, and we're getting it in. We're about to finish installing the headliner and get the sunroof gaskets on. So let me show you how it's done. Let's get right to it. So we use some of this 3M glue to get the headliner to stick up where the sunroof goes. So this is the headliner. So this is what the headliner is looking like. We've got it all cut out. Now there's the pieces right here that we cut out. So we also got new gaskets that we got from LMR, the gasket kit for the sunroof. This is for the body, and then this is for the sunroof. And these are the old gaskets right here that we're replacing. So let me grab this old one, give you an idea what we got to do next. Now LMR has a pretty decent install video that I watched on installing the headliner and the gaskets. So what we're gonna have to do next, when we get the new one on, we'll install it, say it will be on like that, and everything to the left, the material sticking out, we'll run a razor down and cut it all out all the way around after we get it on. So that's what we got to do next. Install these new gaskets. Now this headliner is a headliner from LMR. I guess it's the from a company, TMI, and it has the better backing on it to make it a little more heavier duty. So after we get this taken care of here in a little, we're gonna try and do some modifications to my seats that I'm putting in. The power seat, they're actually 0304 Cobra seats, the dark charcoal, and I'm going to try and remove the power bracket to lose some weight and use this manual bracket. And if it doesn't work, we'll just leave the power bracket. We'll have to put it back on. So there you have it. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Keep tuning in. We're gonna get back here installing this headliner and the new gaskets for the sunroof. So you want to see more? You know what to do. Peace.